we talked about this off camera.
You're making fun of me all day. I'm just saying. I hope one of these guys make fun of you, okay? I might have slid something into the AI that's information about how much you weigh. Okay, I'm just letting you know. The AI knows how much you weigh. So just be moving on to the next brain rot.
So I don't like the way this guy's looking at me.
I don't think they could change. Oh my gosh, he's looking at you. Okay, you just killed them!
Yep, don't care. Don't care. They're adopted.
Alright, moving on to the next one. Next up, we got Ballerina Cappuccino and Las Cappuccinas. Where's Las Cappuccinas? What I was saying was Ballerina Cappuccino's at 5 and Las Cappuccinas is at 185K a second. They are way more rich.